Hello and thank you for watching today's unboxing and assembly video. Today we're going to unbox and assemble a Pride Mobility lift chair, which is model number PLR958. It's known as the Legacy. It's very easy to put together. All you need to do is open the box. You can nick the tape with something sharp and then pry open the lids. As soon as you open the box, you'll notice that there is styrofoam sheeting surrounding the lift chair, which you can go ahead and remove. The first thing you're going to want to do after that is locate the back of the chair and simply pull it up, grab firmly on the left and right side, and it'll slide right out. Once you have the back of the chair out, we can get ready to go ahead and remove the base of the chair from the box. The easiest way to do this is to locate the legs of the chair and sit the chair on its legs as it's supposed to while in the box. Then you can use your foot to prevent the box from sliding forward as you shimmy the base of the chair out of the box. It should slide out pretty easy, especially if you have a hard type of floor like we have in this video. After removing the base of the chair, you might notice that the left and right side panels and the user manual and the hardware bag are located towards the bottom of the box. Make sure to read through the user manual entirely and do not discard any of the packaging for the first 5 days in case you need to return your product. The two side panels come numbered. They're very easy to install. There are two pieces of cardboard wedged in between the seat and the armrests, which you'll want to remove. You'll also notice that the hardware bag, in this case, was detached, but sometimes shows up attached underneath the chair to the frame with some zip ties. Here we can see that in the hardware bag we have the backup battery and power adapter. You can replace the backup batteries if you need to, and they're not meant to be used as a primary battery source. It's only meant to get you out of the chair in the event of a power loss. The remote control has a USB charging port, which is covered by a red sticker. We're going to show you how to install the remote control, the power adapter, the side panels, and basically how to get this chair fully operational very quickly. Pride Mobility makes these chairs very easy to assemble. There are 3 color-coded harnesses. Sometimes they're tucked into the chair, sometimes they're loose like you can see here, but they are color-coded. So the remote control, which has a black barrel connector, connects to the receiving end on the chair, which is also color-coded black. There's no wrong way to connect it. Once you have it connected, there's a little clip to secure it, and you want to leave the remote control wire going straight through the middle. Do not try and push it to the right or left side to prevent it from getting pinched. What we're doing now is grabbing the power adapter cable, which was twist tied to the frame towards the rear, and we're attaching that to the battery backup and power supply cable. There's no wrong way to plug it in. At this point, we want to go ahead and get ready to install the back of the chair. What we do is we rest the back of the chair as if though it's folded forward, and we get the 2 harnesses connected, the yellow and the gray. That's for the motors to work. We're going to go ahead and connect those now. Again, there's no wrong way to connect it. There's just a male and female harness connector with a clip to keep it intact. Once you're done with that, it's very easy to attach the back of the chair to the base. There are 2 rails on the base on the left and right side and 2 corresponding sleeves on the left and right side of the back rest of the chair. Start by installing one first slightly. Don't connect it all the way. Just get the sleeve over the rail enough so that it's resting on it, and then move over to the other side and do the same thing. Once you feel that the 2 sleeves are firmly over the rails, just push down and listen for a click. You should hear 2 clicks indicating that both sides are connected, and to give it a test, just pull upwards, and as long as the backrest does not come out on the left or right side, you can feel confident knowing that you did the job correctly and the backrest is connected. At this point, all we really need to do is connect the side panels. They are numbered 1 and 2. Start from the top, push firmly against the backrest with the first one, and then slide down. You'll feel that it makes a connection. Those 2 rails will basically connect with each other, and those side panels won't be going anywhere. So just rinse and repeat for the other side. Start from the top. Get them lined up. You might have to look from the top down to get a view of the rails as you're connecting them. And again, you will feel it once they're connected. They're not going to go anywhere. Next, what we're going to do is show you how to secure the back cover of the chair to basically hide all of the harnesses, and there is a piece of Velcro which you'll want to just connect in the middle first and then rub outwards to make that connection nice and neat. Now we're going to go ahead and take the wall outlet and go ahead and plug in our power adapter to demonstrate the chair for you. It's a very comfortable chair. It is an infinite position chair, meaning you can control the chair in many different ways. You can independently control the headrest, the lumbar, the leg rests, or you can use the two big buttons that go up and down to basically control the entire chair in one fluid motion when you're ready to exit the chair, or if you want to go ahead and get back down from a lifted position when you're ready to enter the chair. So as you can see, we're controlling the headrest independently using the top set of buttons, the top left and right. Now we're controlling the leg rest independently. There's a left and right button for the leg rest. There is a button for the lumbar support. You can lay the backrest all the way back independently and basically find that perfect position that's just right for you. So unlike some of the 2 and 3 position lift chairs, this one can be completely adjusted in many different ways. That's why it's called an infinite position lift chair. It does come with a 1-year in-home service contract and one of the best warranties in the industry. We offer this chair and all of our lift chairs tax-free and with free shipping at mobilityscootersdirect.com. To learn more, visit our website. Please also don't forget to subscribe if you like this video or leave a comment in the comments section. We really appreciate your time. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.